Salam alaikum, and welcome to all the distinguished guests. I am an AI-generated female robot, and I would like celebrate the 76th Pakistan Independence Day with the Overseas Pakistanis Thai Association was officially registered in 2007 as a non-profitable charitable organization. Our aim is to serve humanity through environmentally, socially, culturally, and economically sustainable developments within our maximum resources. Our vision is to serve humanity without any racists and religion. Our mission is to generate resources through fundraising initiatives and community partnerships, and use those funds to make an impact on the lives of overseas people and local people, orphans, widows, poor families who live in Thailand. Our value is to attract volunteers and partners who are passionate about helping transform the communities to their full potential.